What's up, guys? Garrett here. Super cool news. We have hit 2,000 subscribers on my channel, which is awesome. So for doing that, I'm going to do another giveaway. Just like last time when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I gave away those goggles. Every time I do a giveaway, I want to do something bigger and better. And this time around, we're going to be giving away a GoPro Hero Session. And because I'm trying to keep things related to what we do, because if you're watching my channel, odds are you probably ride snow machines, and I want to give away something that people like us can use. And so yeah, I figured a GoPro session will be cool, and you can make your own videos and post them and stuff like that. And all you have to do really to be eligible to win is I want you to go follow my Instagram page, because I actually just made an Instagram page like a week ago. It's still pretty new. I haven't posted many pictures, but I think it'll be a cool way to be able to pick somebody. I'll just pick somebody at random. I'll post a picture and say, hey, like this to be entered or something. I don't know. We'll figure that out. But anyways, I made a new Instagram. Same name as the YouTube channel, AK Pro XR. Just go ahead and check it out, follow me, and then yeah, I will post a picture, and it'll be obvious which one it'll be for the giveaway, and I'll pick one of the people that liked it to be the winner of the GoPro. So yep. Anyways, on that note, I'm gonna get out of here. And I'm going to go riding. So, yeah, hope you guys are still out enjoying some snow. Have a good one.